Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It is Saturday, November the 7th, and as you can see, we are supposed to be getting a 2-day snowstorm starting today. It won't be terribly cold, but a lot of snow is on its way again, which the last snow just melted this week. It was plus 17, and now it is 0 and snow. Go figure. This is living in Saskatchewan. The sky is gloomy and dark, which makes a person just want to curl up and watch movies all day for sure, but I have another plan. We are going to try and make some homemade buns today. Little update on the weather. Still cloudy. It hasn't snowed yet, but it downpoured. So, and it's supposed to get down to like, I think, what, -5, -6, so below freezing. That's not good. It's gonna make our highways really, really slippery. So I'm glad I don't have to go anywhere. With the rain mixture and then snow on top, it's gonna cause a lot of black ice on those highways, which if you can see in between, that's the highway right there. So I can see cars passing on the highway from my house. So, but I'm assuming it's gonna start snowing here soon, so we'll just watch the weather here and see what happens. So it started snowing at about 12 o'clock. I was actually already out here probably about a half an hour, 45 minutes ago, and it's completely snowed right up to the door again. This is why I have decided to start prepping. I had to walk across my yard, and in spots it's all the way up to my knees. And it doesn't look like it's gonna stop snowing until sometime tomorrow. So, like, the snow's almost as tall as my bush over there. Like, it's crazy. My vehicle is completely snowed in. I made a path. This was all shoveled. And then I made a path through here and then all the way to the back. It's all snowed in already within like a half an hour. Absolutely crazy. Oh man. So, yeah, this is in southern Saskatchewan, Canada. Anyone else want to move here? We'll see what it looks like in the morning, but I don't think it's gonna look any different. It's probably gonna be a lot worse, so see what happens. I'm going to bed. Have a good night. We'll see you in the morning.